This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Tony on the HEMI, man, and I'm back with another video, man. Today, we got a POV coming from school, man. Nice cold winter day. Not a cold start, but it is a start. And of course, somebody gonna start bumping their horn. But let me know. Let's get right into it, man. All right, y'all. So now that we're in the car, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe before we get into this POV, man. And let's go. I know y'all curious to see how this car sounds in the garage. Y'all finna hear right now. I ain't gonna act too bad. Y'all see it. Police is everywhere out here. Noise, look, another police vehicle. I can make a little noise though. Uh-oh, I don't know where the fuck to go. Hold on, chat. Alright, YouTube, we now out of the garage, as y'all can see. I'm gonna try to get some action for y'all boys, man, coming from school. Buying this big bond semi truck. If y'all don't know, I do go to Tallahassee State College. Yeah, I'ma ride past it. As you guys can see, I do go to Tallahassee State College, man. You feel me? Good vibes out here for sure. Semi trucks, bro. I'm so ready to get from behind him, bro. And why is it so many police officers, bro? Like, I don't understand this, bro. Like, it's a police officer everywhere I look, bro. Like, what's up? Y'all boys, feel me? The drip check, feel me? I go True Religion on the sweat, feel me? Cap on the slots. I go priceless hoodie, man. If y'all don't know, priceless hoodie, man. Priceless hoodie. And get right back into it, man. Once we get from behind this semi truck, we really gonna be straight. I don't know where the police at on this road, so I'm not gonna act too crazy. Oh, there's one right there, actually. Police. That was the same police that rode by the first time. Try not to act too bad, but you know we gotta act up. hope the wind ain't too much for y'all, man. It's getting cold outside. I'm loving the winter vibes, man. We're gonna be able to put the Christmas lights on the car. We're gonna be able to do a lot, man. Halloween coming up. We definitely got to do something for Halloween. I'm gonna definitely get in a Halloween costume and suit up and get in the RT, man. We definitely got to do something crazy for that, man, for Halloween on Friday. Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that's coming up, man. So it's gonna be some beautiful holidays for us, man. It's gonna be some beautiful holidays. You feel me? But right now we heading home. I actually shouldn't have came this way. I'm finna make a U-turn. Watch this U-turn, chat. Ooh. Pull. Ooh. Follow my traffic laws, man. And by the way, the car is not in sport mode as of right now, but y'all know how we do it, man. If you stay, you're gonna see that sport mode, man. So comment Blue Angel if you stayed this long in the video, man. Comment Blue Angel if you stayed this long. Probably should have went this way either. Hold on. I hate people that go slow. But more pulls for us, man. Oh my God, she's spitting today. She is spitting today. No turn on red. Guess we gotta sit. She is spitting today, man. Roll the window up, that loud truck. But she is spitting today, man. Let me know down in the comments how she's sounding today. I think she sound pretty good today, man. Blue Angel sounding pretty good. If you stayed this long in the video, make sure you comment down below Blue Angel, man. Got to. It's a must. It's a must. But I low-key want the sun to come back out. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not really messing with these cloudy skies. I'm not gonna lie. And it's very cold. My lips gonna start getting real ashy. I'm gonna start getting... 21 minutes later. There we go. Uh-oh, I'm sliding. I'm gonna do a few burnouts for y'all boys, man. I got a spot for me to do some little burnouts real quick. I'm finna do some little burnouts real quick for y'all boys, man. Finna do some burnouts, man. We finna go do some burnouts, man. We finna turn up, man. Time to turn up, man. I got a spot we could do some burnouts at. It's a warehouse somewhere down here. I think it was down that road, low-key. I low-key think it was down that road, but we still gonna turn up. We still gonna cut up and shit. We might do a burnout in the middle of the fucking road. No. course, it's a nigga in his car right there. But guess what? We still gonna do it with him right there. Let's get to it, man. But comment below if y'all mess with that, man. Car smell like straight rubber now. Turn my traction back on. Be safe. My car was getting jiggy, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold. It was getting jiggy. It was getting jiggy, man. It smell like straight rubber now, though, man. It smell like straight rubber. But my car for sure got jiggy. And we did it with that man sitting right there. My car still got jiggy, man. Finna head home now. I was a little late on the tunnel, man. I kind of forgot. It's a little late on the tunnel, man. It's all good. Nice Halloween stuff outside. Nice Halloween decorations, man. We gotta do something crazy for Halloween, man. We gotta do something crazy for Halloween. I'm gonna probably dress up as Chucky or something crazy like that, or Jason or something. Most likely Jason, because I think that'll go better with my car. So I think I'm gonna dress up as Jason for Halloween. And we definitely gotta do something crazy in the car. We definitely gotta do something crazy in the whip, man. We gotta go do something crazy. Got to. Got a school zone coming up. Oh. Got a school zone coming up, man. And I'm gonna probably combine this POV with a nighttime POV. I'm not sure how I'm gonna play that, But I might combine this video with a nighttime POV because I definitely want to bring you guys a nighttime POV. Because I said I was going to be doing that. So if not this video, the nighttime POV will definitely be in the next video. And yeah, man, that one's going to be a banger. I'm going to go downtown for the nighttime POV. It's going to be some good lights down there. It's going to be a banger, man. Can't wait to shoot that video. It's your boy Tony on the HEMI, man. That's the end of the POV Drive. I'm coming up on home right now. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe as always, man. I'm gonna keep bringing you guys these banger videos, man. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Get our content pushed out there. Get everything going, man, so we can go up together, man. I want you guys to follow this car journey. I'm gonna be bringing upgrades, cosmetic upgrades, burnouts, cutting up in traffic, anything of that nature. I got it for y'all boys, man. It's coming. Nighttime POV will definitely be in the next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And I'm out, man. Peace.